I might say we're reading Gasket. Okay, so I'm gonna read a pirate Gasket. So first, I'm gonna start. Okay, parrots. Special birds. There are many interesting birds in the world. Parrots are among the most amazing. What makes parrots so special? So this book ends at 16 pages. It's very long. Pretty birds. So I think many birds are beautiful with bright with feathers in one or more bold colors. Parrots can be green, blue, yellow, red, or a mix of many colors. They can also be black, white, or red. They can even be pink. So according to this video, love this book. It's really fun. Okay. Just waiting to be downloading. Mommy, cái thằng đấy ha, vừa rồi kéo nè, kéo stay Mom. Okay, we just wait a moment. Before that, we can watch some things. Okay, so I'm gonna watch Rainy, my favorite YouTuber, Castle. Castle in the sky. Okay, we're just waiting to be battling. It's really really. Is this page? Oh, this is page 7. So we're waiting. What happened? Okay. Just watching this. Okay. Don't really know what's happening here. Should I use my phone to read? Maybe, because this one is like loading. Just wait a moment. Ma. Good job. Why? Mom, why? I'll change it. Okay, so I think let's watch Dreamy now. Let's watch Crab. So CRY Crab Matthews. Okay, Crab.